On a crowded morning train, a chill crawls up the spine and a sneeze erupts with impossible timing. The target of the reaction is not sensation but memory, as if the body rewrites a moment without consent. Observers watch as eyelids flutter, shoulders tighten, and a distant echo lingers where a simple breath should end. Scientists call it an autonomic misfire, a stubborn loop that hijacks everyday rhythm and leaves the mind perplexed. Yet this uncanny glitch reveals the body's hidden authors pitching a tale beyond intention and control today.